This is the iGPS Wizard device that you just received. On the side of the watch, you're going to see at the top the power button, and then below it, you're going to see the SOS button. To power the watch on is you're going to hold down the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then you'll see the screen light up. It's going to take about 30 seconds for you to actually see the home screen of the watch. After the watch powers on completely, you will notice up here in the left-hand corner of the watch, you'll see the cellular signal, and then next to that cellular signal, you're going to see 2 up and down arrows right there. And the 2 up and down arrows with the little 3G next to it means that you are connected and it's transmitting data, and the GPS is updating currently. Okay, to the right over here, you're going to see where it has the battery life in 60%. Below there, you'll have the time, the day, and then on the other side you'll see it's the 30th of January. You're going to swipe across the screen, and this is going to show you exactly what the functionalities of the watch can do. BFF is simply when another child and your child have a watch, cousins, friends, whoever it may be, when they're standing next to each other with the watches, they just click on BFF at the same time simultaneously. And what that does is going to connect the watches together, and then it's going to add each other as contacts in the calling list of the watch, okay? So you just basically swipe that up, and this is where the text message is for the watch. When you click on text messages, this is going to show you with a red dot next to it whenever you send the child a text message, okay, from within the application. And then whenever they see that red dot next to the name of whoever sent them the text message, you're just going to simply click on the person's name, and then this is where the child will actually respond to as well. And for the child to respond to a text message, they'll just simply click that up arrow right there, and then to respond with an emoji, they'll click on the emoji sign, and here's all the emojis that they can currently respond with. And then to get out of that, they would just simply click on the X. And then also to do voice messaging, you can click on the voice message right here. And then to send a voice message, what you're going to do is you're going to hold down this, and you'll see like a little arrow circling around it, and it will mean that you're recording your voice. And as soon as you're done, you just let go, and it will automatically show you right there on the screen that it's actually sent the voice message right there. Okay, to get out of the screen, you just simply swipe over and swipe over again, go back to the message page, and then you're going to swipe up, and you're going to see where it says Group Chat. Group Chat is a new feature that we are currently adding to the watch. You will see features on here that aren't currently available, but they're going to be coming up as new features soon. And Group Chat, what this does is send messages to 2 or 3 contacts inside of the watch. So the child will be able to choose if he wants to send it to mom, dad, grandma, and send one message at the same time. And you guys can all message together simultaneously. Okay, so get out of Group Chat, you swipe up, and this is the Translate. The Translate page, what this is going to do is you click on Translate and say that he needed to send a message from Spanish to English. Okay, so if he's typing in Spanish, it's going to automatically transfer it over to English and vice versa. There's many other languages that you can choose from. Okay, to get out of that, you're going to swipe across the screen, go back to the Translate screen, swipe up. The Take Me Home. Okay, the Take Me Home feature is when the child clicks on this. Now, when a child is away from home, say they got lost or whatever the reason is, they click on Take Me Home, and the address that you inputted inside the application is actually going to give them walking directions on how to get back to the house. Okay. To get out of there, swipe over, and then you're going to swipe up one more time. Fitness. This is the pedometer. Click on Fitness, and you're going to tap it one time. That means it's activated, and then as soon as you start walking, the steps will start counting on here, and it will keep on going up. Okay. And then we're at the settings page. So we're now showing the settings page. Click on it, and then we got brightness. You can click on brightness, which will actually make the display. You can make it brighter, or you can make it more dim. If you make it more dim, it actually preserves more battery life of the watch. Okay, then you have volume. Volume is the volume control of the ringtone of the watch. So if you want it on vibrate, don't want to get disturbed during class or for any reason whatsoever, you can change the volume right there. My watch actually is going to show you the different screensavers for the watch. You simply just swipe over and swipe, and then whenever you want to choose one that you like, you click on it, and it's going to make that the background screensaver for the watch. Keep on swiping up a little bit, and then here's where you actually connect the watch to Wi-Fi. Okay, so Wi-Fi right here, you're going to see your available network, and you're going to choose your available network. So ours is right here, and it's already connected, so we'll go ahead and just forget that. Click it one more time, and to actually start typing in the password, you're going to, where the cursor is blinking, you're going to simply just tap it like this, and it's going to bring up where you can type in basically your password. And to get lowercase characters, you're going to swipe across the screen, and it's going to show you lowercase characters. And the next screen is going to show you numbers, and then you'll see actually other characters as well, as in the pound sign, question marks, exclamation points, all that. Once you see it, you're done doing it, it's gonna say done. You click on done, and it's gonna connect, and everything should be working perfectly fine. Okay, to get out of there, press the power button on the side if you don't want to enter your password right away. And then to go back into settings, you'll just click settings again, and you're gonna go down to restart. Restart, if you click on restart, this will actually power cycle the watch. So it will just, you click on restart, the watch will automatically turn off by itself, and it takes about 1 minute to 2 minutes, and it's gonna actually restart itself back up. Okay, so the power off is basically, you're just gonna click on power off to power the device off, and you just click OK if you wanna power it off. If you don't feel like powering off, go ahead and click cancel. And then below power off, you're gonna come to where it says firmware. Firmware is actually where you'll get an update for the watch, adding new features, and you just click on it. It's just like updating your cell phone, the iOS and Samsung phones, same thing, but it's just updating the firmware. Okay, and these are all the functionalities of the watch. To get back out of this page, you're basically gonna swipe over again. It's gonna bring you back to this page. You can swipe up, down, whatever which way you'd like to go. And then to get back to the home screen, you can just swipe over again, and it's gonna show you the time, all that stuff. If you swipe over the opposite way when it's on the home screen, this is gonna show you where all the contacts are listed inside of the watch. Okay, and to call anybody you would like to, you would just simply go ahead and just click on it like that, and it's gonna start making the phone call. All right, and to get back to the home screen, you're just gonna click on the power button, and it will go right, you just click on that. It's gonna show the home screen. To unlock the screen, there's like a little unlock symbol right here. You click on that, it unlocks the screen of the watch. Okay, to lock the screen back up, you simply just hit the power button, click it again, and then the little unlock icon right here, click that, unlocks the watch screen. So up here you have the power button, and then below you have the SOS button. Okay, to activate the SOS button, what you're gonna do is the child is going to hold down the SOS button for 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, once that's initiated, you'll see on the screen where it pops up, it'll say SOS, like a bell ringing, and then the mom and dad, whoever's listed as the SOS 1 or SOS 2, the first SOS will start getting the phone call. If they fail to answer, the watch will automatically move and start calling the SOS number 2 contact. And if both parents or anybody who's listed as SOS 1 and 2 fail to answer that call from the watch, it will continuously, repeatedly call nonstop until someone answers that phone call from the watch. And that completes our tutorial of the functions of the watch. And if you have any further questions at all, you can reach us at 1-800-723-4955 or email us at sales@igpswatch.com.